Frequently asked questions. What are they? How often are you getting them? And what are you doing to cut back on all of these frequently asked questions? Right? So I've talked to a lot of our partners, and some of the most frequently asked questions that they're getting is, does this part fit my car? How do I order? And do you have it in stock? Right? 2 out of the 3, I think, are pretty valid, questions. That, how do I order? And this is coming up a lot. So that tells us that the consumers just really aren't that savvy on how to go through this process, right? So if you're getting phone calls regarding these questions, and emails regarding these questions, and these are pretty, you would think, simple questions that can be kind of answered on their own, except for availability and maybe does this part fit my car? You've got to put that information on your website. You've got to make it easily accessible on the website, right? So start thinking about these questions, start documenting these questions, and start creating answers or pages or little snippets about this information throughout the website, on the product pages, on the home page, in the navigation, in the footer, and making things very clear to customers and giving them a good overall customer experience. Acknowledge their questions, right? Be proactive versus being reactive. If we are in a reactive mindset, we are going to just eat up a ton of our time and our efficiency. So dig into those frequently asked questions, start creating content about those frequently asked questions on your website and throughout your website. Navigation, footer, product pages, checkout pages, as well as in the emails that you send back to them when and if they do inquire or place an order, right? Hope that helps. Frequently asked questions. Be proactive versus reactive.